This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Dodge Journey battery. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Open the hood and locate the battery near the firewall on most models. Always wear gloves and eye protection. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the negative terminal first, then the positive. Remove hold-down clamp, lift battery straight up, and dispose or recycle at a proper facility. Check you have the right tools and safety gear before starting. Gather a 10mm wrench, battery terminal puller if needed, gloves, safety glasses, and a memory saver to keep settings. Disconnect negative then positive, and avoid touching both clamps to the same metal. Keep metal tools clear of battery top. Inspect cables for corrosion and replace if frayed. Clean terminals with a wire brush and baking soda solution, then place the new battery with the correct group size and terminal orientation for your Dodge Journey. Secure the hold-down clamp without over-tightening. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and make sure clamps are snug to prevent arcing. Start the vehicle to confirm good connection and watch for warning lights. Reset power accessories if needed. Check that battery vent tube is positioned correctly and that no tools remain in the engine bay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.